Solutions of some important questions of inverse trigonometry, exercise 2.2. Prove that sin inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2 sin inverse x, where negative 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1 by root 2. LHS equal to sin inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Here, if we put x equal to sin theta, then theta equal to sin inverse x. For what we put x equal to sin theta? We want to reduce this result into sin inverse of sine of some functions. If you put x equal to sin theta, we get 2 into sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta. That is LHS equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into root of 1 minus sin square theta. That's equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into root of cos square theta. That's equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta. That is sin inverse sin 2 theta, since 2 sin x cos x equal to sin 2x. So sin inverse sin 2 theta equal to 2 theta. That is 2 into sin inverse x. That's equal to 2 sin inverse x, which is equal to RHS. Next questions prove that sin inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x square equal to 2 cos inverse x, 1 by root 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Here LHS equal to sin inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Here we need the answer in terms of cos. So you put x equal to cos theta. RHS is cos inverse x, 2 cos inverse x. So put x equal to cos theta. Therefore theta equal to cos inverse x. Then LHS equal to sin inverse 2 cos theta into root of 1 minus cos square theta. That's equal to sin inverse 2 cos theta into root of sin square theta, since 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. That's equal to sin inverse 2 cos theta into sin theta. That's equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. That's equal to 2 theta. Since sin inverse sin x equal to x, sin inverse sin 2 theta, that's equal to 2 theta. Therefore 2 into theta, instead of theta you put this cos inverse x, and that's equal to 2 cos inverse x, which is equal to RHS. Next question is prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. We know one result as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin 3 theta. So here put x equal to sin theta, then therefore theta equal to sin inverse x. If you put one term or x or y as one terms of sin, cos, etc., then you find out theta, that is sin inverse x. Then we can substitute this at the last. RHS equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Sin inverse this equal to sin 3 theta. Above bracket equal to sin 3 theta. That's equal to 3 theta, since sin inverse sin x equal to x. That's equal to 3 sin inverse x, which is equal to LHS. Here we put RHS first, then we reach in the answer LHS. Prove that 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. X belongs to closed interval 1 by 2, 1. Here we put in RHS x equal to cos theta. Then we get RHS equal to cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. That's equal to cos inverse cos 3 theta. That's equal to 3 theta. That is 3 cos inverse x equal to LHS. Write in the simplest form. Tan inverse root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, x not equal to 0. Here we want to prove that the within bracket terms 2 in terms of tan. For that, put x equal to tan theta, then theta equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. The given expression or the given question, you put x equal to tan theta, then we get tan inverse root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta. That's equal to tan inverse root of sec square theta. Since 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, here 1 plus tan square theta equal to root of sec square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. That's equal to tan inverse root of sec square theta is sec theta and minus 1 whole divided by tan theta. That's equal to tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta by cos theta. That's equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta whole divided by cos theta divided by sin theta by cos theta. That's equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. This cos theta cut. That's equal to tan inverse 2 sin square theta by 2 by 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then here 2 cut. Then tan inverse this 1 sin theta by 2 in the numerator and the denominator cuts. Then we get sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. That is tan inverse tan theta by 2, which is equal to theta by 2. That is 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Put theta as tan inverse x. So simplify. Tan inverse 1 by root of x square minus 1 mod x greater than 1. Here again we want to change this term, that within bracket, by putting x equal to any trigonometry function, you want to change it into terms of tan or cot. Here we know that sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. So put x equal to sec theta, then theta equal to sec inverse x, then tan inverse 1 by root of x square minus 1 equal to tan inverse 1 by root of sec square theta minus 1. That's equal to tan inverse 1 by root of tan square theta. That is tan inverse 1 by tan theta. Tan inverse 1 by tan theta becomes cot theta. So we want to change this cot to in terms of tan. We know that tan pi by 2 minus x equal to cot x. So here we can write tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus theta. That tan inverse tan x equal to x. So it is equal to pi by 2 minus theta. That's equal to pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Put that x equal to theta equal to sec inverse x. Resubstitute theta as sec inverse x. Simplify tan inverse root of 1 minus x by 1 plus cos x. You know that one result 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. So tan inverse root of 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. That's equal to tan inverse root of 2 cut, then sin square x by 2 by cos square x by 2 equal to tan square x by 2. So tan inverse tan x by 2, that is equal to x by 2. Simplify. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x, where negative pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 4. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x. Divide numerator and denominator by cos x. That is cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x implies cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x by cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x. That implies 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. We know the result that tan 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equal to tan pi by 4 minus x. Please study this result. 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equal to tan pi by 4 minus x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x equal to tan pi by 4 plus x. That's equal. Therefore, from our question, tan inverse cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. That's equal to pi by 4 minus 6. A simple question, please try to do this. Very important question also.